How to use Gemini AI by Google tutorial for beginners. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to use Gemini AI by Google for the beginners. Now Google Gemini AI is a Google's new AI platform designed to compete with other advanced AI models like OpenAI or ChatGPT. While official tutorial and extensive documentation might not yet be widely available, I can guide you through the general steps of getting started with the Google AI tool, which would be similar for Gemini AI once it is more accessible. For that, open up a browser and on the web address bar, type in the link that is www.gemini.google.com. As you type in the following information or the link, it's going to take you to the official page. So here you could go and press the chat with Gemini button. So in order to begin with, click the more button. If you have time, you could go through and read all of these information, or else you could just press on the more button and get started with it. Now mark on the terms and condition and click the continue button. As you can see that the account has been successfully created with the Google account itself. Now that you're done creating your account, you need to go ahead and set up a project. So for that, you need to go to the Google Cloud Console. You could click on the project drop and select a new project. You could do this by tapping on the plus icon from the top right, or you could just tap on the three dot icon, and here you could go ahead and select the console accordingly. When you've actually done that, name your project and make a note of the project ID. As you've done that, you could go ahead and enable the relevant APIs. That is, navigate to the API and service dashboard. You could enable the API related to AI and machine learning, such as language API, cloud transaction API. And next, you have to go and install Google Cloud SDK. You need to initiate the SDK by running gcloud in your terminal and follow the prompt to set up your default project. After installing AI platform client libraries, depending on your program language of the choices, install the appropriate client libraries for Python and you could use it. After that, you need to go and authenticate your application. Set up authentication by creating a service account and downloading the key file. Moving on, select the Google application credential, that is Google underscore application underscore credential. Environment the variable to the path of your service account key files. Next, you have to go ahead and use the Google AI for beginners. So assuming Gemini AI is integrated into the Google Cloud AI offering, here's a step-by-step guide to use it. You would explore the AI platform notebook, that is Google Cloud offers AI platform, which is Jupyter's notebook pre-configured with the AI and machine learning libraries. In the Google Cloud Console, navigate to the AI platform and then the notebook. When you've done creating a new notebook instances and choose a configuration that includes TensorFlow, PyTorch, and other relevant frameworks. As you begin with the procedure, you need to load the process data, that is, use Google Cloud Storage to store your database. Load your data into the notebook using library like Pandas for the manipulations. Build and train your model. You can use TensorFlow or PyTorch to build your machine learning model. Example with TensorFlow are the coding itself. And then you need to deploy your model. Once trained, deploy the model using AI platform. Save your model and upload it to the cloud storage bucket. And in the AI platform, create a model and a version of your saved model. Next, use the AI platform prediction services to get predictions for your deploy and example using the client library. Next, you need to learn the resources, that is cloud library or documentation. Extensive documentation is available on Google Cloud Documentation. And look for the courses of Google Cloud AI and machine learning and Google AI blogs and researches. You could keep with the latest academic and use cases as well. As Gemini AI becomes more publicly accessible, detailed and specific tutorials will be available directly from Google. For the new beginning familiar with Google Cloud, existing AI tools will give you a strong foundation. Likewise, you could also go ahead and make some changes with the settings, that is, go ahead and press the settings button from the home page. And here you have this three different options, that is, you can enable dark mode, and then you can go ahead and select your public link or an extension, all of that. And you can go ahead and explore all of these information features, all of that, and start using your Google Gemini AI. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.